Hello, good morning, and welcome to my channel Market Wisdom. Today we will see where Nifty is going to head in today's trading session. So here we are right now. US future Dow future 80-85 point up. Japanese market flat to negative 890 points down. Hang Seng is yet to open at 8 a.m. it will open, but Shanghai market opened. It is Chinese market. It is at 10 points up, flat we can say. Metal index is at 64-65 points up. That is also fine. Let's look at the Australian market is 30-35 points down, so okay to bearish side, but not that bearish. Yield is at 1.56, which is also good thing. Let's look at the dollar index is key area right now hereafter. So if you see dollar index, it's at the 96.08, so it has crossed 95 mark as well. 97 above is a very bad sign, but it is inching towards that, so we need to take a look at this in our daytime. 96.12 right now, so let's have a look into this in a daytime how it goes. And if you see SGX Nifty future, it is showing 30-35 points of gap up, flat to gap up opening. That's what it is showing. Okay, now this is the global condition, and things are looking okay to good, not that bearish, not that bullish. Things are looking flat. That's what we can say on the Monday morning. Okay, news wise, I believe there was some Evergrande news, positive news, so that's why Chinese market is up, and metal index is also little bit up today. So keep an eye on Tata Steel. Okay, so it has already beaten down, so we can keep an eye on Tata Steel on the positive side, where depending upon the Chinese metal index, 110 points up it is showing, right? So that's why. Now let's look at the Nifty chart. On the Nifty, as I told in my Thursday analysis meeting, after market analysis, so for any downside we have to close below this particular support which was taken on the Thursday's action. So which is that level? 17,720. Okay, below this level only we will think of fresh selling. Okay, the stop loss will be in that case 17,680. 17,680 will be my stop loss around this particular area, and I will still think of a buying side. I am not that bearish today as well. Okay, things will change today. Market may surprise today, so for any downside I will look below 17,680. Okay, and in that case, what will be my target? My target will be 17,620, which is our previous swing low, right? So I'm opening daily candle. If you look at the daily candle, so in this daily candle, this our support, 17,620, which was our previous low. That will be my stop loss for all the longs positions, positional stop loss I'm talking about. So because why, this has already taken a support a couple of times, it was already resistance in the past, so this area is still going to act as a support for me. Okay, if it is closing below this particular level, then only I'm thinking of a bearish sign. Otherwise we still have a chance to go up from here. Okay, so that's early to say, but that's the scenario. Below 620 only, 17,620 only, I will think of selling side. Otherwise that will be still a buying opportunity for me. And as far as intraday is considered, I will sell only below this level, 17,720. That will be my level for intraday. That from there I think we should bounce, and up to where we can bounce. So where we can bounce till this our resistance over here, right, which acted as a resistance in Thursday's session, which is that level 17,820 to 17,800. So that will be the level for me, where above which I will be more bullish side. Okay, I think SGX Nifty is showing 30-40 points up right now, right? 35 points. It is at 17,739, and because we already had a holiday on Friday, so that's why the levels are not matching, but it is showing 30-35 points gap up. So I believe market will trend between these particular levels, and it will go directional if we cross this particular zone. Otherwise, see, this is what happening, right? So anything near 17,720 is buying opportunity, and near to 17,820 is a selling opportunity. Only when we give a good closing around this particular area with proper candle, 15-minute candle, then only we can think of a buying opportunity. In that case, remove your shorts and go for buying opportunity. Why I'm saying? Because by looking at the open interest, 17,800 is a huge call rating. Those are all will come in pressure. So short covering for 17,800 option call writers might happen if we cross this particular level 17,820. So that's the view on Nifty. I'm still on bullish side, and as I said, stop loss for my intraday stop loss for my all long positions is at 17,680 to 17,660, and I will go very strong on the buy side if we cross 17,820. So that will be my trade on the Nifty side. And let's look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also at the support level. If we look at the weekly candle for Bank Nifty, that will give us a very clear picture where we are. So see, in this particular weekly candle, Bank Nifty started its journey from this particular level, right? Here it was facing some resistance earlier, which was that level 37,740 to be exact, right? And right now on Friday session also it has touched similar level. Okay, so from where it has started its journey, it has came again. Okay, but this area will act as a support either now. After this much rally, it has supposed to retrace, and from here it may either go up, or if it breaks, then it will go down. So Bank Nifty is at critical support. Okay, so Bank Nifty we need to handle carefully. On the Bank Nifty, I am more bullish compared to Nifty, because its component ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank are at the support level. I will come to that later on. But Bank Nifty in weekly chart, we are at support. So let's look at the 15-minute candle. That will tell us where to support and resistance. So in Bank Nifty, if we see, this was the support area which acted on the Thursday session, which is that level 17,750 to 17,800. So any swing below this particular level will act as a selling opportunity. And on the buying side, it already took two resistance over here, right? In this area, 38,100 to 38,000, and this also 38,100. So anything above this particular area is a short covering opportunity in Bank Nifty. Why I'm saying, let's look at the Bank Nifty open interest for monthly options. If we go here, so here we can see 38,000 has huge call rating. Those all will come in pressure if Bank Nifty crosses this particular 38,100 mark. So be ready for the short covering. That's what I see on the charts. And if nothing negative on the global side, we are still okay. 17,620 is stop loss for me for all the long positions in Nifty, and in Bank Nifty 37,700 will be my buying area. So these are the trades. And in case of short bounce, where we can head to, right? So in case of bounce, this is the first target, 38,200, and if we cross this particular target as well in case of short covering, then we will head towards 38,500, maybe tomorrow session, not today. But yeah, that's the view on the Bank Nifty. If you look at the ICICI Bank very quickly, ICICI Bank, this was the level from where it has shown a gap up, right? This bounce, particularly after the results it took place. So here, this particular area it already touched now. Okay, so it should take some support. So this was the move in the ICICI Bank. It came down, retrace, it came down, it again came down, it retraced over here, it came down over here, and in this area it is trying to take some support. On Friday's action, it has Thursday's action, it has tried to take some support in this particular area. So in my opinion, ICICI Bank is good opportunity to move up to where, up to 780. So that will be my target in ICICI Bank, maybe today or tomorrow. 775 to 780, that will be my target in ICICI Bank. In HDFC Bank, here also we are at the support, this 1540 or 1528, this is still acting as a support for me, and I am still on the buy side in HDFC Bank until we cross this particular lows, 1520. If we close below this particular low for 15-minute or 1 hour chart, then only I am thinking of a downside in HDFC Bank. Otherwise, this is an golden opportunity for me to go on the buy side in HDFC Bank for positional point of view. So here we should show some retracement bounce. Okay, so that's my view on Nifty, Bank Nifty, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. I'm still on positive side, and let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching.